Chair.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Rodriguez.
Yes, the complaint of Masa et al., my good friends, former Congresswoman Masa and also Congressman Casino, is not sufficient in form. If you read the complaint, it is not a verification after the complaint, but a jurat. It says subscribe and sworn to. This is not the verification that is required under the Constitution, under our rules. Can you kindly take a look? Can you show there?
Yeah. May
the
we
end
request
of
the
complaint?
Secretariat to flash
It
the
is
complaint?
a jurat, subscribe and form. There's no statement here about a verified complaint.
Madam Chair, the copy that I have...
The
and I
Honorable
guess-
De Lima.
Sorry. Thank you, Madam Chair. The copy that I have, and I guess the other members would have that, really contains a verification page.
Kindly speak closer to the microphone.
Yes.
I see that there is a verification
verification.
page alleging the necessary facts there in accordance with Section 3, Rule 2 of the Rules of Impeachment, Rules of Procedure in Impeachment Proceedings. That it is the complainants or the complainants read and understood the contents thereof, and that the most important, the allegations therein are true and correct of our personal knowledge or based on authentic records and documents. That is the needed allegation or averment in a verification. The number 4 and number 5, not necessary anymore. It's actually required in the certification. So if it's a verification and certification requirement, then we can consider number 4 and number 5. But for purposes of verification, under the rules, it's only about that the allegations are true and correct of our personal knowledge or based on authentic records and documents. I see it here. There is a verification duly signed by all the complainants.
The Honorable Rodriguez.
I have read that. It is after the verification of the endorser. But if you will read here, verification, signature, there's no notarization. No notarization of the verification itself. I oppose those two. Because I have read this for the past week. And
Kindly flash the
certainly we
complaint.
wish to hear it, but if it is insufficient in form, it cannot go. So look first at the jurat. At the end, verification should be at the end of the complaint. Where it will say that it is of the personal knowledge or it's sufficient. If you say personal knowledge or authentic records, that's fine. That is in our civil procedure and our criminal procedure. But here, if you will see the verification, Mr. Chairman, Madam Chair, the verification has no signature of a notary public. So there is no sufficiency in form. The verification, which is attached to the endorsement, there is none. There is no notarization.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Vice Chair Kit Flores.
Is the copy of the Honorable Rufus Rodriguez, does it contain the last page, sir, where there is that page is attached?
Secretary, kindly double
Maybe
check the copy.
they failed to
No,
attach the
Madam
copy.
Chair.
the notarization is on the jurat, on the last page. It's on the jurat, and the jurat is not a verification.
Not on the actual verification itself. Madam Chair.
Cert is not verification. If you look at the verification itself, which they attach after the verification of the 3, there is no notarization. After Kathleen Gaya de Guzman, no notarization. So how can there be a valid verification?
Madam Chair.
The
Chair,
page
Madam
before
Chair.
that, Congressman
Chair.
Rufus Rodriguez, also includes, can we flash the page before that, please?
Madam
The
Chair,
ComSec.
point of clarification before we can answer that one.
Let us wait until the speaker finishes first before we call the rest.
ComSec, can we
Madam
flash
Chair.
the page before that?
Vice Chair Tumogan, we will call you after we have flashed that page containing the jurat.
May I know if we have the same copies? Because
That
We
one,
are supposed to have the same copies, but nonetheless,
if that
we
is
are
so-
flashing this page on the screen that contains the jurat.
because if
Yeah, that's
If-
right.
if-
Subscribe and so on too.
Yes.
That is the
Yeah.
jurat. It's not a verification. Go to the next
That-
page. It is notarized, correct? Go to the
that is
next page.
correct. That's why I'm asking. Do we have the same copies?
Yes, I
If
think
the
we have the
answer
same.
is yes, then Congressman Rodriguez.
We're
is
supposed to
correct.
have the same copies.
So therefore, there is
only
no,
jurat.
there's
It's
no,
not a
only jurat. So
verification.
therefore, there is no sufficiency in form.
The chair examined the copy of the complaint, but prior to this jurat, there is a verification signed by the complainants.
Yes, but no
Although it doesn't bear the
notarization.
page.
Therefore, it is self-serving. It's not public record. It is not something to bind us. Because there is no, after the signature.
We will be suspending to check the copy of the Honorable Rodriguez.
Itong kopya ko. There is no signature.
We take note of the observation of the Honorable Rodriguez. Nonetheless, we have checked this copy. I believe this one is complete, no? At the end of the complaint, there is verification. They were signed by the complainants. It is 2 pages because they have a lot of complainants, more than 32. And then after the signature of the complainants, we have the jurat. The jurat is supposed to be the oath to the verification. And then the names and the identification of the complainants. And then on the last page, the administering officer of the jurat, the notary public. I hope this satisfies the Honorable Rodriguez.
Madam Chair, we really would like your impeachment complaints to be heard. But the first requirement in the Constitution and our rules is sufficiency in form. If we will go back again, after the complaint, there is a verification. That was where it is signed. But there is no notarization on that. And then it goes to the jurat. The jurat, there are no signatures, and the jurat was the one that was notarized. It really is a lack, is insufficient in form. We cannot proceed with a complaint where the verification is not notarized, and its jurat has not been signed, and it is the one notarized. So we have to stick to legal rules, Madam Chair. In the rules, our rules on criminal procedure apply supplementarily. So there can be, it's just like a complaint which is not signed and not properly identified and verified. So therefore, it's clear. If you flash again, I would like to have this flash, Madam Chair, so that everybody will know, including the public. Can we go to the verification
Madam Chair.
after the complaint and then the jurat and the signature? Because
Chair.
it is, we are lawyers here, we are trying to have the legal proceedings in proper order based on the law.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Erice is recognized.
Madam Chair, if you will look at the first complaint, it's the same thing. Yung verification po, hindi notarized. Yun lang pong jurat ang notarized. It's the same thing.
It's not the same thing, Mr.
It's
Chair.
the same thing.
To answer,
This
Madam
is-
Chair, it's not the same.
It's the same thing. This is the copy.
Yeah, it is verification and then the signature of the notary public. You see? It is different.
No, there's no notary public. In my copy, in my copy,
Oh, well,
there's no
it
notary.
is Ana, Patricia, Ana is as in Veloso, Ana, Patricia, Chua.
Yes,
It's the
page 13 and 14.
Page 14.
Yes.
Okay, can we check the,
Point of order, Madam Chair, point of order.
to satisfy the needed comparison between the first and the second impeachment complaint, can we flash again the verification
Chair.
of the De Jesus complaint?
Madam Chair,
Please
point
wait
of
for your
order.
turn as we call one after the other, all the members of the House who wishes to make
Yun.
their manifestation.
Madam Chair, point of order. Point of order muna ako.
The Honorable Abante is recognized.
These people are arguing without even addressing the chairman. My goodness, pare-pareho naman tayong legislator dito. Alam na natin ang utos dito eh. Address the chairman first before you ever argue with one another.
Madam Chair, this representation apologizes to the Honorable Chair because sometimes we cut in because in answer, but you are, Chairman Abante is right, and we should always address before addressing the committee, the permission of the Chair. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Thank you. The Chair is in possession of the complaint of De Jesus, and my observation is it is the same as the complaint of Masa et al. There is verification signed by the complainant. It is followed by the jurat, subscribed and sworn to, and then signed by the notary public. Then let me go back to Masa et al. There is a verification signed by the so many complainants. After the 2-page signature follows the jurat, subscribed and sworn to. And then at the end of all the names and identification cards, identification of the complainants is the signature of the notary public.
Madam Chair, short